I can see ISS. I was just taking photograph here. That's actually cool. Do you want to see something cool? International Space Station there. See?
Oh, yeah. Thanks. I have an app on my phone.
Yeah. I was just having an alert. Yeah. Look at that.
Actually, it's quite clear tonight.
Yeah, that's the one.
We don't normally see that clear.
Sorry?
It's very clear tonight.
Very clear now. Yeah.
You don't see.
Even last night I saw it with a little bit of cloudy, and yeah, I saw it. It's very clear. Very cool. I don't know why I like those eggs in Canary Wharf, but they're actually cool, yeah.